Today we'll be reviewing Ingsai, a USA-based financial services company that specializes in high-frequency and algorithmic trading. In addition to this, Ingsai functions as a platform for a professional quantitative strategy community. Ingsai's quantitative trading strategy, developed in 2021, has shown remarkable results in real-world market application. In 2023, Ingsai plans to secure funding and restructure to launch its flagship product, the Ingsai AI Bot High-Frequency Quantitative Strategy. One of the standout features of Ingsai's platform, Strategy Square, is its use of extensive data analysis and mathematical models to examine the historical trends of digital currencies. By creating coded strategies for users to reference, the platform aims to be more transparent and accessible. The Ingsai AI Bot feature of the IG platform has been upgraded to allow for multi-currency transactions across multiple exchanges. This optimization enhances profit potential and simplifies the process for users. Even if users are new to quantitative trading, they can activate the strategies with just one click, thanks to the platform's user-friendly interface. Ingsai AI Bot operates through the API interface provided by the exchange, ensuring the user's funds remain in their account and cannot be touched. It only has the ability to buy and sell, not withdraw funds. The IG platform recognizes the importance of securing its users' funds and thus has taken comprehensive measures to protect them. The platform has established a financial foundation in the United States and Canada, providing the equivalent of insurance for users' funds. This not only ensures the safety and stability of funds, but also provides peace of mind for users, allowing them to focus on maximizing their returns through the platform's quantitative trading strategies. Developed by Ingsai Finance Inc., a USA-based financial services company, the Ingsai bot has earned a top ranking in the industry due to its exceptional performance and fully automatic operation. One of the key features of the Ingsai bot is its ability to seamlessly integrate with mainstream digital currency platforms, making it easy for users to trade without any manual intervention. Equipped with advanced core algorithms and intelligent quantitative technology, the bot utilizes cloud-based big data computing to execute trades at lightning-fast speeds of just 0.05 seconds. The Ingsai bot operates 24/7 on cloud servers and trades automatically based on predetermined conditions, eliminating the need for constant market monitoring. It offers a range of built-in trading strategies from conservative to aggressive, catering to various risk levels. Moreover, it intelligently allocates positions and conditions of each trade, adjusting based on real-time data. The bot can monitor multiple currencies and execute strategies simultaneously with independent threads for each variety, ensuring prompt trade execution. Even novice digital asset traders can easily use Ingsai bot with just one click. Users can set parameters, choose strategies, and start trading. Ingsai bot makes impartial and objective trading decisions, avoiding the influence of subjective emotions. It will only trade or close positions based on preset conditions. This eliminates emotional stress and fatigue often associated with market monitoring, making it a preferred choice for quantitative trading products. The Ingsai bot utilizes various algorithms and techniques to generate profits in both bullish and bearish market conditions. In an upswing market, Ingsai bot leverages tracking stop profit technology and around-the-clock market analysis to identify and sell at the highest point of profitability, allowing users to maximize their gains. During a downturn, Ingsai bot employs a conservative approach to safeguard user assets and ensure stable profits. Finally, the Ingsai bot uses the API interface provided by the exchange, ensuring that users' funds remain secure and cannot be accessed. It offers a hassle-free and efficient means of earning money while providing convenience and flexibility to its users. From my perspective, the Ingsai bot is an exceptional trading tool that has earned a top ranking in the industry due to its advanced features and excellent performance. It is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced traders who want to trade digital currencies with ease and convenience. One of the primary advantages of this system is that it utilizes a cloud-based backup, which provides the highest level of security for sensitive data. With this feature, traders can rest assured that their information is safeguarded at all time. Another benefit of using the Ingsai platform is the confident market engagement it provides. Traders can utilize the robust trading station platform to actively participate in the markets with the assurance that they are making informed decisions based on reliable data. The Ingsai AI bot is capable of simultaneously trading 10 different currencies across 4 exchanges, resulting in a diversified portfolio. This diversification enables effective risk management, reducing the likelihood of significant losses due to market volatility. One of the most significant benefits of using the Ingsai AI bot is the improved trade entry speed. By utilizing computers to analyze the market and promptly execute trades, this system can react faster than human traders, avoiding missed opportunities resulting from slower decision-making. Another benefit is the effective management of emotions. Automated trading suppresses emotions, eliminating the influence of fear and greed on trading decisions. As a result, the system executes trades objectively and without hesitation, unlike human traders. Moreover, the Ingsai AI bot ensures consistent trading activity by eliminating the temptation to skip trades after a loss. This system executes trades objectively, preventing missed opportunities for potentially winning trades, and maintains consistency in volatile markets. Additionally, this platform allows for disciplined trading through consistent application of rules. Emotional factors are eliminated, resulting in objective and disciplined trading decisions that lead to better outcomes. Finally, backtesting trading rules is made easy by applying them to historical market data, enabling traders to fine-tune their trading strategy for future trades, saving time and optimizing performance. Overall, the Ingsai AI bot provides a comprehensive suite of features for automated trading, enabling traders to execute trades objectively and with confidence, while reducing the risks associated with volatile markets. Realistically, Ingsai's AI trading platform offers a convenient and user-friendly experience for those interested in crypto investment. With a great referral program and various trading strategies, there are plenty of opportunities to increase your earnings. In order to participate in this exciting opportunity, you must first sign up for an account. The platform offers a great referral program to help you build your team and increase your earning potential. When registering for an account, you must set 2 passwords, one for login and the other for transactions when you're trading or withdrawing crypto. Once you've registered, simply log in with your username and password. To deposit USDT to Ingsai, click the last button on the bottom of the screen. You'll find a recharge button on the following screen. Choose the amount you wish to deposit or set a custom amount. Select the token network you prefer. Copy the wallet address or scan it, input the correct amount, and pay. Don't close the page until it receives enough confirmation to check the status. After the payment system receives enough confirmation, it will redirect you to Ingsai bot. Wait 3 minutes for the amount to refresh. Before choosing a trading strategy, you must pay the monthly subscription charge for Ingsai's AI bot. Choose the number of months you prefer and click Buy Now. Now that you have Ingsai bot in your stock, you're ready to invest. Click then the 3rd button on the bottom and choose the strategy you prefer from various options. Input the amount you want to invest. Make sure it's within the min and max amount for each strategy. Input your transaction password and press confirm. If you're interested in boosting your earning potential through the referral program, simply share your referral link or code with your friends or those interested in crypto investment and passive income. Leverage your personal network, join online communities, create informative content, offer incentives, participate in events, collaborate with influencers, utilize email marketing, run contests, and provide excellent customer service. To withdraw crypto to your wallet, click the last button on the bottom of the screen. Before you withdraw, make sure you've added your USDT BEP20 wallet address. Click the plus tab and paste your USDT BSC BEP20 address. After you've added your wallet address, click Withdraw. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Click Withdraw. Input your transaction password and press Confirm. Ingsai's finance team will review and approve your withdrawal within 24 hours. You can withdraw your earnings every day, and the initial capital you invest will be available to withdraw after the strategy cycle ending. However, for some long cycle strategies, there is a short period of time to release it. Now, if you want to invest in this platform, I will have all the necessary links down in the description below so you guys can check everything. As I said, the platform is really simple and everyone can understand the mechanism behind. Moreover, you can check their blog posts where you will find all the necessary informations. Well, that was for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.